Welcome to week 14, part 2 of the transition lesson, workplace etiquette. Community integration. Students will learn appropriate behavior to work in the community. Students should go into the community and learn and practice work etiquette. Steps of critical thinking. This is where we put on our thinking caps to answer our question. So number 1, you're going to listen to the question. Number 2, you're going to listen to your choices. Number 3, you're going to think about what you know. And number 4, you're going to make a choice. Predictions. Predictions is part of critical thinking. It makes you put on your thinking cap and you're going to answer the question. And there's really no right or wrong answer. You're just making a prediction what you think this lesson is going to be about. Do you think it's going to be about the ocean where there's fish? Or do you think it's going to be about survival signs, stop signs, one-way signs? Or do you think it's going to be about etiquette, using good behavior? Repeat a storyline. I have the responsibility to follow proper etiquette at work. The steps of synthesizing knowledge. This is all putting it all together. You're going to listen to your teacher. Then you're going to listen to the whole lesson. Then you're going to think about the information now. And then you're going to think about the information later. So what can you do to be a good co-worker? Parents, you can just stop the video if you want to and give them time to answer the question. The question is, what can you do to be a good co-worker? Wearing smelly socks, exercise, or refill paper in the printer machine. You can also be a good co-worker by faking you're sick and not coming to work, being on time, or staying home and working in your garden. Next question is, which is rude to your co-workers? Being late, cleaning your space, your area desk, or wearing inappropriate shoes to work. Steps to critical problem solving. What is the problem? Step number 2, how do you know? Step number 3, what do you need to solve the problem? Step number 4, do you have all the information? Step number 5, try and solve the problem. Step number 6, if you get it wrong, try again. Next question. I can be a good co-worker by refilling rocks, garbage, printer paper in the printer machine. What should you never say at work? Jump rope, swear words, compliments. Another way to be a good co-worker is to keep your workplace clean, dirty, destroying things and making it junky. Parents, this is a worksheet. There's 2 words at the bottom, which are the vocabulary words that we used from last week, etiquette and rude or offensive. And you cut these words out After printing the sheet off, you cut the words out and you paste them into one of these rectangles. Which one is rude or offensive and which one is etiquette? That's all you have to do to that worksheet. This is another worksheet. This worksheet, you have to circle the good etiquette pictures for the good etiquette that's done at work. Circle the rude or offensive pictures for rude behaviors. Then discuss it as a class. So I'll go over this with you. I speak in a loud voice at all times. So you shouldn't speak in a loud voice. You shouldn't use a professional voice. Loud voice is, hey, how are you? Professional voice, hey, how are you today? So, no, you don't want to speak in a loud voice. You want to speak in a professional or moderate voice. The next question, I do not wear clean clothes to work. Well, proper etiquette, you will want to wear clean clothes at work. So, if you don't wear clean clothes, this would be the one you circle because it's not good etiquette, work etiquette. Next question. I roll my eyes when I am told to do a job that I do not like. That's not nice. You should be wanting to do the job. You should do it in a pleasant way. That will be this answer because it's inappropriate. It's not good work etiquette. Next question. Sometimes I brush my teeth. I'm sorry. Sometimes I do not brush my teeth. You want to brush your teeth every day. Have clean breath, clean clothes. That would be this answer. I smile when I am working. That is good etiquette. Good etiquette. You should want to smile. I replace the copy machine ink cartridge when it is empty. That would be good etiquette. Good etiquette. Because you want to help out co-workers. So if you're not able to do it, somebody else will do it. That's good work etiquette. This is another worksheet. You circle the good etiquette for the good work etiquette. Circle rude or offensive picture for the rude work behavior. Then you're going to discuss it. Sometimes I ignore my boss and coworkers. That's not nice. That's not good work etiquette. You should be able to talk to everybody, your boss, your coworkers, in a nice and moderate voice, and this would be the answer for that because you're ignoring. That's not good work etiquette. I always go to work clean with a fresh uniform. That is good etiquette. Good, very good etiquette. I chew gum at work all day. That's not good etiquette because when you're trying to talk to somebody, you got this wad of chewing gum going around in your mouth. You talking and stuff, and it's rolling around your mouth. That's not appropriate because you might spit it on the person. You might drop it out and fall on their shoe or something. I never bring food to potlucks at work, but I always eat. That's not fair to your coworkers because if everybody's taking the time out to bring something for a potluck, then you should be able to you should bring something if you want to eat because that's part of sharing. That would be bad behavior because being you're not being nice to the other people that have brought something. Next question. I always answer questions with a polite response. Yes, you should answer questions in a polite response. Good etiquette. Good etiquette. Somebody asks you something. Yes. I think I can do that. Or with that etiquette, you would say, no, what I got to do? I'm always doing that. That's not good. Everybody should be able to work together and share the responsibility. Repeated storyline. I have the responsibility to follow proper etiquette at work. Conclusion. Now that you have went over all these questions, and you have already been assessed with all these answers, then I'm sure you're going to come up with the right answer this time. This is a conclusion, not a prediction. What was our lesson about? That's a question. Was it about the ocean? Or was it about survival signs or etiquette? So, was your prediction from the beginning of the lesson correct? Yes? No? Or I don't know? Thank you for listening to this lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it and have a great day. Goodbye.